This video shows how to wall hang a Florence steel multicolumn radiator using a pair of Florence wall brackets to take the weights from the bottom and two Whitworth wall stays at the top of the radiator to keep it vertical. At the bottom of the radiator, we use Florence wall brackets. These are made up of a bracket, a plastic locator and a clamp. The bracket screws to the wall and the clamp fixes to the radiator, allowing the installer a little play from side to side and up and down. The locator keeps the two parts well aligned. The bottom bracket should be placed about 100mm up from the bottom of the radiator and about 1/5 to 1/4 in from either edge. Screw the brackets to the wall using appropriate fixings. Place the plastic holder into the forward slot. Now attach the clamps to the radiator using a screwdriver to tighten them securely onto the back columns of the radiator. Next, install the Whitworth stays. They should be installed about 100 to 150mm, that's 4 to 6 inches, from the top of the radiator, and about 1/5 to 1/4 in from either edge, to line up with the brackets below. We recommend 2 stays for wall-hung radiators. Whitworth wall stays are made up of a wall plate, a connector that joins the wall plate to the threaded rod, a threaded bar which usually needs to be cut to length, a rear clamping plate, that's the threaded one, a front clamping plate, that's the one with the bigger hole, a washer to prevent damage to the finish, a front nut that holds it all together. The B is the symbol of our hometown, Manchester. To install the stays, use an appropriate plug to attach the wall plate to the wall. Next, insert the connector piece, the threaded rod and the back clamping plate. Depending on the depth of the radiator you're installing, you'll very likely need to trim some of the length from the threaded rod. If using 2 wall stays, ensure the back plates are parallel to the wall. Bring the radiator into position and slot the bottom clamps into the plastic locators on the wall brackets. Be careful not to scratch the inside columns as they pass over the threaded rods. Add the front clamping plates to the top stays, the washer, and finally the front nut to secure the radiator in position. That's it. Thanks for watching.